Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, creating your very own WhatsApp channel. Open your WhatsApp and go to Upatties tab. On the right corner, tap the plus icon and select New Channel. Tap Get Started and continue through the on-screen prompts. Now, choose the name of the channel. You can change it again at any time. Now customize your channel by adding a description and icon, or you can wait until later. So finally tap Create Channel and you're done. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create your very own WhatsApp channel. We hope this video was helpful, and if you found it useful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Goodbye.